What's up, YouTube? Today I want to talk about something different that I added onto the bike. What would be these? You see anything different? Those who have the Streetfighter want to know that there's something different on it, and that's the hand grips. I got the heated hand grips installed. Turn on the dash here. As you know, the button's already on here, but of course you have to install them to pay for the actual grips, and then you have to get them installed, or then you have to install them and to get the software. So basically you need a tech to install the software to activate the grips. So I could have installed the grips and just had them turn it on. I chose to just have them do the whole thing, just install the grips and turn the accessory on. But if you see here, if I hit the button here, we're green. That's like the lowest setting. We got yellow, which would be like the mid setting. We got red, hottest mode right there. So we're right in green mode. Take this out on the ride. It's cold. The other day it was 86 degrees the other day, and right now it's like 11:44 in the morning. It is 62 degrees, so it's pretty chilly when you're on the bike, especially with the wind and everything. So let's get going on this ride, and I'll explain the grips. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the green setting, as you can see right there. It's like setting 1. I feel it a little bit. I got these thin gloves on too. I got like summer gloves on, so just make this test a little bit more interesting. So yeah, I'm feeling the heat up a little bit. When they hit this corner, we'll probably turn it up. This is good. It's not good enough. It's nippy. Oh my god, it's freezing out here compared to what it was yesterday. Okay, so I got on the yellow setting. Feels like the more I go on the bike, the more they heat up, which is a good thing. Although I pressed the button, the green setting was starting to warm up a little bit better too. If you guys could even hear me with all this wind. I like to wear these thin gloves because I like to actually feel the grip when I'm riding. I don't know why, I just do. Yeah, so they're pretty good in this weather. Somewhat change it up a notch. Now we're on red. You see these things really heat up. I'm starting to feel that wind that breeze in my hands. Really starting to feel it. Yeah, they're starting to feel good. Like I said, it's 60 degrees. We're probably, with the wind chill, it's probably about 45, 50 in the shade with the wind going. So I definitely feel it on my chest. Feel the cold air. But the grips feel good though, even with these thin gloves, like I said. I think they're a good purchase. They work well, my hands feel good, and I don't like that I had to pay for the separate. It should have been something included in the bike already. But beggars can be choosers. It's part of how Ducati does their thing. So that's all I got for you on that, on the riding portion. Let's take it to the garage and I'll go over how much I paid for them and everything like that, and how long it took to get installed. Well, let's go. Alright y'all, so I'm back from my ride. Just want to go over how much I paid for the grips and the installation. I got it all done at the dealer. I figured I had them do it because I already had the bike in for first service. So I said I might as well just let them install the grips and then add on the accessory button for the heated grips. So if you want to know how much I paid, labor was $315. I actually got a discount. So the labor would have been $350, but we'll go with the $315 because that's how much I paid. And then the grips I got them from Amazon, they were $377. That brings my total to $692 US. Now, since we got that out the way, do I actually think they're worth it? It's all subjective. It depends on what type of weather you ride in. I still like to ride even all the way until December. If it's over 50 degrees, or at least 40. If it's over 45 degrees and the sun is out, I'm going to ride. So that's why I wanted the grips. And plus, I hate having buttons on any vehicle I have that don't work. I hate when any manufacturer does that, having buttons on something that don't actually work, or having blink spots on your steering wheel and you have an accessory you're supposed to get and it doesn't work. So, but so I'm kind of don't like when a manufacturer do that. So I wanted to have it installed. I'm still contemplating on getting a multimedia thing so I can get like the dash. So you can get like the dash navigation and all that turn-by-turn navigation, and you can sync your phone to it basically. I think that's around the same price, about $300 or something. So they charged me for 2.5 hours of installation for the grips. Do I think it would have taken 2.5 hours? I'm not sure. I mean, I should have did it myself because I had the grips already. I could have just installed the grips and then have them turn the accessory on, but like I said before, I chose to let them do it since they already had the bike. Are they worth it though? Like I said, it's subjective. I don't think they're worth $692. That's for sure. But you know, when you buy anything for Ducati, it's gonna cost a lot, so you gotta be prepared for it. And I looked it up before purchasing. I've seen how much it was cost. The thing I did not know was how much labor would be to install them. But I'll just install the stuff myself and have them turn on accessory or button if I get the multimedia thing. So stay tuned for that. As for stuff coming, I got to order the clear clutch cover for that, and then get that. I'm gonna install that myself, and get some more carbon fiber pieces, and possibly wrap the bike. So that's what's coming up next. So stay tuned for that. Please leave a comment below if you think if you would have gotten grips cheaper if you have them. And if you plan on getting them for your bike. So if you plan on getting them for your bike, that's how much I paid, $692 altogether for the grips and installation. So leave a comment below, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.